All right, primetime players, you guys rock. Second one is Phil, ready to go here. We'll randomize teams for the second Gold Rush jersey here. We'll do these here in about 35 minutes or so. We'll break both these babies. So time is January 6th at 6:22 p.m. We're gonna go over to the break and type live. And we have January 6th at 6:22 p.m. We're going to randomize the list of 32 NFL teams. Wow, the Chiefs gave that lead away already. That's unreal. Anyway, we're going to randomize the list of 32 NFL teams. We'll match that to our entry list, and that's who gets what team. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 5. All right, here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. There we go. We'll get it posted. You guys will have 25 minutes to trade or so. Please make sure I'm tagged in trade so I can put it on the list and we got stuff right for later. All right, we'll see you at 7 for the break. See you.